Ice Towers.
Unlike most, keep a gun right close. Put my shooter on green, here blow. Even on a red light, here go.
Come on.
I'm trying to clean them up. Don't got it, I'm beating.
Come on, I'm trying to clean him up. Yo, it's just the way he says it, like the flow, man. Yo, what's good, everyone? It's your boy Isaac again with another video. And today we're gonna be reacting to Sleepy Hollow, Chicken. Me no sabe. Yo, that Sleepy Hollow is definitely a talented ass motherfucker, man. Came out of Brooklyn, and he's he, bro. But let's just see what's up with this. I think he's supposed to drop an album soon. I'm dead. That's the little song he playing. That's a sample. Where he at though? Oh, Puerto Rico?
Hey, I used to trap, flip, we doing shit you imagine. Hey, ran up
in Puerto Rico,
fifth.
yeah.
I spent the brick on the fashion. Nobody different. That's all she could say when we kick it. I just seen the ops, had them dodging and dipping. Popped the perk and that shit had me tripping. Hey, run up. Hey, I get you done up. I ain't trusting the soul, that's a setup. Told her bro, let those shots never let up. If they slip, then we slide, get wet up. You ain't really outside, then shut up. No, you can sit with the gang, gotta get up. Pull up with gang, we got 50 or better. Fuck around, make it hot in December. I know my heart cold, I was born in the winter. And this ice on my neck make him shiver. Told her mama, come fuck with a winner. Had my shooters pull up in a sprinter. Boy, you food and we looking for dinner.
Oh, you food and we looking for dinner.
I'm smoking no dope, this is not for beginners. Hey, we getting chicken. That's the reason why she splitting and licking. Hey, you know they don't love you. Hey,
no.
They just trying to get the riches.
Yeah.
Get it, flip it. If he talking down, I'ma lift it. Niggas participating and snitching. You can't take the heat, better get out the kitchen. Ain't no contemplating, get the clicking. You know I'm picky, don't know who I'm picking.
The funny part about this beat is this motherfucker literally put the meme on the back. Look you in, chicken wing, looking at macaron, and it's sounding hit, bro. Like it's getting in my head.
Why you outside of this club? Cause they said that we can't get the grip in, no feeling. John gon' cook up the beat, I'ma kill it. I can fuck with the fake, I'm the realest. Biggie BK shoot your shot, then we dipping. Hey, boy, we stepping. If he moving correct, I correct him. He get popped like a coupe when we test him. Rap with the ops, we throw shots at the session. That's impressive. Rubber band on the clip, I'ma stretch him.
Rubber band on the clip, I'ma stretch him.
Drop me the Addy, I better address him. Hey, never stress it. Just make sure that I get on my credit. We treat bullets like butter, we spread it. All over blocks of the ops till we bled it. Hey, never said it. Chopper burn him like Usher, I let it.
Chopper burn him like Usher, I let it. Yeah. The way that he uses the flow and what the fuck he be rhyming, bro, is heat. He's like mad aggressive with it, bro. Like, this nigga makes a punctuation every time he says some shit.
It ain't no peace with the gang, that's a lesson. Hey, we getting chicken. That's the reason why she splitting and licking. Hey, you know they don't love you.
Nah.
They just trying to get the riches. Hey, get it?
Yes, sir.
If he talking down, I'ma lift it. Niggas participating and snitching. You can't take the heat, better get out the kitchen.
Bah! Better get out the... Oh, shit, is a switch up? My son Chef G in the back. Yo, these niggas is fresh, though. Where they at?
Great John on the beat, by
Oh, Great John. Ice Towers.
Unlike most, keep a gun right close. Put my shooter on green, here blow. Even on a red light, here go.
Come on.
I'm trying to clean them up. Don't got it, I'm beating.
Come on, I'm trying to clean him up. Yo, it's just the way he says it, like the flow, man.
Fuck all the ops, they never keeping up. No broom, I sweep them up.
Yes, sir.
Wait, big body whip, I might crash the Wraith. I give a fuck what they haters say. Just know that Stevie getting paid today. Hey, turn up, new op pack, let's burn up. Brand new kicks, can't scuff up. I spent like 50 on drip for the summer. Now you bugging, we spent like 100.
Oh, we bugging, we spent like 100. Come on.
Shots and they throw you was drumming. Free smoke, just pull up if you want it. She like slip you all in my stomach. Now that hot eye, she gon' see that shit coming.
Yeah.
Fuck the fame, I ain't changing for nothing. Fuck the fame, I ain't changing for nada.
Fuck that fame, I ain't changing for nothing.
I got a 30 clip just for the drama. Hey, wait.
Act like they love me, I know they some liars. Hold on, pop me a 30 perk, get me high.
Yeah. I like they love me, I know they some liars. Yo. That was heat, bro. That was heat. It's just the way that he flows, man. Like, it's just nasty, bro. The way he flows on top of his beats is nasty. Sleepy Hollow, bro. Like, I fuck with Sleepy a lot. And when Chef G and Sleepy do songs together, bro, they be going crazy together. But this song, Sleepy, bro, he literally did 2 songs in one. 2 raps in one. Boy killed that shit. Boy killed that shit. Sleepy, man. Went crazy. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and let me know down below any more videos or songs you guys want me to react to. And besides that, y'all, stay safe and see y'all in my next video.